Hello and welcome to this video in which we will focus on adding YouTube videos to assignment creations within Google Classroom, and how this might be more useful to teachers and students rather than using the direct YouTube website. To add YouTube videos to assignment creations within Google Classroom, you will need to first access the Classwork tab in a Google Classroom course. From there, you will need to click on the +Create button. A drop-down menu will appear. You can select Assignment, Quiz Assignment, Question, or Materials options from the list to add a YouTube video to. For our example in this video, we will create an assignment within Google Classroom. Once you click on Assignment from the drop-down menu, the page will change in which you will need to input a title, instructions, and grade parameters for the assignment you are creating. Partway down the screen is where you can attach a YouTube video to your assignment creation. By clicking on the YouTube icon circle option, a window will open in which you can either search for your video by typing in keywords or title of your video to search the YouTube library for your particular video, or you can insert the specific URL link into the search bar. In either case, once you click enter or the search icon in the window, your video will be pulled from the YouTube library, and videos to select will be shown in the window with their own small boxes. Once you have found your video from the list, simply click on the box of your video. Once you do, the window will change in which you can play and preview the video before adding the video to the assignment. Once you have previewed it, you can click on the Add Video button to attach the video to your assignment creation. For those of you who have upgraded Google Classroom subscriptions, you will have an additional option in which you can add multiple choice questions into the YouTube video, in which students then have to answer as they watch the video. Once again, this feature is only for upgraded Google Education subscribers. Once you have added your video, the window will go away and you will be taken back to the page in which you can input additional grading and instructional parameters to the assignment. Once you have done so, you can click on the Assign button to post the assignment in your Google Classroom course for students to complete. A question you might be asking is, why is this feature helpful? By adding a YouTube video through Google Classroom, it helps teachers in a few ways. One, by adding the video through Google Classroom, all ads will be taken out of the video as you and your students view. Another reason to use this feature is that when the video is clicked on by students to view, it opens the video in a window and not a tab. This allows the students to only view this one video and not search for others from YouTube to watch. This also allows the teachers to post the educational video for students to watch, even though the YouTube website itself might be blocked by tech admin or device managed software such as GoGuardian or Hapara. Thank you for viewing this video guide on attaching YouTube videos to assignment creations in Google Classroom. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration Team.